What's good, y'all? Back at the garage, Keys Garage. How y'all doing? Camera works a little terrible. Oh, shout out to Living Canvas. I know the camera works a little shaky. I got a cup of coffee in the other hand while I'm holding on to the tablet with only 1, 2, 3 pads. Fingers for the humans. Take a little gander around. Uh-oh. Camera went down again. Up, yep. Going too fast. So I remember I don't have my phone, so it's a little broken. Yeah, it's a fire hydrant. Let's see what this is talking about. Look at that. We don't get to have heavy equipment on the channels. Just put it here. McClellan, huh? So this is where it's supposed to be, huh? Let's see. Just over there. That black car is. See that? Yeah, we not. Anywho. I thought that said a bitter address at first. What to say? So this is what it's supposed to look like, huh? You see over here, to the right there, if I get my camera anyway, right there. Just to the right of that house. Does that look like something? Yeah, that hurt, right here. That's what it's supposed to look like. Huh. Anywho, let's make some more tracks to check out this equipment, huh? What do you think? I swear, that's a nice piece of machinery. Not very close, not very close. Yeah, not very close. We get to see it that far. No, it's not. It's not very often we get to see heavy equipment like that this close up in person. It says don't step right there. I tell y'all, folks, these are some nice equipments right here. Not like my heavy equipment. Sorry about the wind in advance there. A little late, but yeah. And yes, I am heading backwards. Oh, yeah, I like that. You there? That's what it's gonna be, huh? Some random septic pipe. I think it's supposed to connect to that from right there. That's my guess. That piece of pipe is to connect with that piece of pipe, which therefore connects with those pieces of pipe. This one and this one. I think they might have to make a couple of holes though. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get the pass down the road here. There be, there do.